Hi there. My name is Jo Baird, and I am the designer and creator behind Jo's Crafty Hook and Jo's Crafty Hook Designs. And today in our video tutorial, we are going to be making half double crochets. So here I have my slip knot. And as you notice, I am left-handed, so this gives me a different perspective from most crocheters. So we'll go ahead and get started. So you want to chain 7, or any amount of chain you want to, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And with a half double crochet, you skip the 2 stitches closest to your hook, wrap your yarn around the hook, and then go into that 3rd chain, being sure to go under the 2 that are on the back of your chain. Okay, so now you have 3 loops on your hook, and what you're going to do is you're going to wrap your yarn around and pull through, and there you have a half double. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook. That's very important. Go in your chain, being sure to go under both parts. Wrap your yarn around, bring it through. There's your 3 hooks. You wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook, go into that starter chain, bring it through. You have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to wrap it around and pull through all 3. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook, go under those 2 of the starter chain, wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. Wrap the yarn around the hook and take it through the 3 loops. Okay, so in the last one, we're going to do the same thing. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go under the 2 parts of the starter chain and pull through. There you have 3. So you're going to wrap your yarn around the hook and draw through all 3 loops. Okay, so now for the next row, you can either chain 1 or chain 2, but for me, I'm going to chain 1, wrap my yarn around the hook, going in that first half double from the last row, being sure to go under the 2 parts of that. Yes, it looks like a single crochet, so you're going to wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. There's your 3 loops, so you wrap it around and pull it through. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go into that space, going under the chains that look like a single, wrap your yarn around and pull it through. Okay, and you can do that all day long. It does make a pretty design. So we are going to go ahead and finish this up. So wrap your yarn around the hook, going in that looks like a single crochet, wrap it around, pull it through. Now you have your 3 hoops, wrap it around and pull it through. Wrap your yarn around the hook, insert it in there, wrap it around, pull it through. You have 3, wrap your yarn around the hook, pull through 3. And then in the last one, you do the same thing, being sure to go through that hole right here. Okay, and there's your single crochet chains that it looks like. So you wrap your yarn around and pull it through. Okay, others, they do a chain 2, and then some of them count that as a half double. So what you can do is skip that first one and then go into the second. Or you can still chain 2 and go in that first half double. Okay, all right, that's all I have for you today. If you'd like to see anything, any stitches, any pattern, please put that in the comment section. I will check that. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell your friends about it, and I hope to see you again next time.